Today, we're exploring a strange question. What if humans could charge technology using the energy inside their own bones? What if your body was the power source? Your phone says 1%, and there's no charger anywhere, no outlet, no cable, no power bank, just silence. So you try something insane. You press the phone against your arm, and suddenly it starts charging, not from a wall, not from a battery, from you. What if your skeleton was a battery? It sounds impossible, but your body already runs on electricity. Every thought you have is an electrical signal. Every movement is powered by tiny impulses traveling through your nerves. Even your bones generate small electrical charges when they're under pressure. Now, imagine that signal, 1,000 times stronger. Phones would charge instantly, no wires, no sockets. Cars could start with a single touch. Entire cities might not need power plants anymore, no cables across the skyline, no generators humming in the distance. People would become walking power banks. Energy wouldn't be oil, it wouldn't be gas, it would be us. But not everyone would be equal. Some people would naturally generate more energy than others, stronger bones, higher output. Suddenly, your energy level becomes your social status. High output humans become valuable. Low output humans become replaceable. And here's the problem. Energy doesn't come from nowhere. Every time you charge a device, that power leaves your body. Use too much and your bones begin to weaken. Fractures become common. Exhaustion becomes normal. Now imagine people selling their energy just to survive. The wealthy stay powerful, the poor drain themselves. A new kind of inequality is born. Scientists would try to enhance bone output, artificial upgrades, genetic modifications. Some humans evolve faster than others. Cities begin running on people, and people begin running on pressure. Humanity becomes a living power grid. So maybe a simple wall outlet isn't so bad after all, or maybe evolution is just waiting to flip the switch.